Currently at the project site right now. It's exciting. Tyrone, say what's up, man. But so we're actually pouring now, or not pouring. We're actually framing the foundation walls. We have poured the footing the other day. We're gonna pour the foundation walls tomorrow. Actually, we're trying to finish up the framing right now for the walls, in order to backfill it, compact it before we then put the concrete slab on top of it. But right now, it's so exciting because there's a lot of stuff done. The project is going progressively well. Still got the skid steer and the Bobcat, still at the project site, but super excited. Can't wait to show you guys the progress on how it's currently turning out. But fantastic.